Welcome back to Caravan Newbies. Today it's the Jockey Wheel. Mine's a Kartt, orange handle, orange wheel, $39.99 including delivery. I saw Dan reviewing this and highly recommending it, so I thought I'd give it a crack and see what I thought of it. The only thing I'll be able to do is put it on today. I won't be able to wheel it around, but I'll give it a go and I'll show you how easy it is to install on my caravan. Some caravans are going to be different, so bear with. The reason why I'm replacing it is because my jockey wheel actually has a flat spot, and with my jockey wheel it comes off from the side. This has got a flat spot here, so I need to get it replaced because it makes it difficult to roll it. And then with the new Kartt one, it goes in, shut the flap, insert the locking handle in, raise it up a little bit, make sure it's tight, and that's fitted. Just take the weight off of it. That's perfect. So what I'll do now is hand you over to Trevor. Over to you, Trev.
Thanks a lot for that, Charlie. So Charlie sent me a link saying, look Trev, I bought a new jockey wheel. It's a Kartt one, the one we've seen on TF19 that was finally auctioned for charity for £105. So Charlie, you bought yours, $39.99. Lovely jockey wheel, orange handle, loving it. Thanks for the link, and as I said to you, I do want to change my jockey wheel as well. We're on the storage pitch, the ground's a bit rough, and I have to actually put a slab on my jockey wheel just to protect it. So from your link, Charlie, I just flicked on a few more pages, staying with the Kartt jockey wheels, and I got this one. So this is a Kartt jockey wheel, exactly the same one as Charlie's just shown us, guys, except for it doesn't have an orange wheel. Solid rubber, 48mm, and it's got a black handle. And I'm going to replace that. And I'm sure Charlie can do a bit of trickery with this. And the reason I'm going to show you why I'm going to change mine is because Charlie's jockey wheel went straight on a bracket on the side. He just undone the bracket, swapped over the wheels. And you'll notice with my caravan I have to go down through the A-frame, or it's actually just through this plastic part of the A-frame. So if this is how your jockey wheel is, let me just put this down. All you need to do is just undo the bracket there that holds the jockey wheel and then undo it. So all you're going to do is just keep winding this, and eventually what will happen is it will split into two. It's simple as. There we go. That's the two parts. Put them back together for storage. What I will recommend when you're doing this job is wear some rubber gloves. Just notice there my hands are getting a bit dirty. So we've split that, and wait, come here. So put the outer bit in through the top, like that, and the wheel goes into the centre. There we go. And then all I've got to do is wind the wheel in. Dead easy this. Nothing to panic about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wind the wheel all the way up. You'll see that it's actually caught on. I'm holding it with my foot to stop it spinning round. So I'm going to bring this up. Just tighten the clamp. There we go. And wind the wheel down. Nice and easy. There we go. That's it. Job done. So, that's it. So just wind that back down, leave it like that. Obviously put the other two bits together. When you're doing this, make sure that you've got all your steadies down. Don't just go taking the jockey wheel off while your steadies are up, because your caravan's going to fall over and I don't know how you're going to pick that up. But there we go, £10 saving. $39.99 orange wheel, orange handle, $29.99 silver wheel, black handle. 10 quid. Who can throw 10 quid away? Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button and tell your friends. Thanks ever so much, guys. Bye.